So you are the engineer who has been tasked with designing a safe classroom upon our return to school. So the the write-up of this is to the right. I know you've already read that. You've got this classroom, and what you're given to create this design for your boss or to be submitted to the school district is first a template, sort of an outline of a 25-foot by 25-foot classroom, and then this little student sample circle in the top left. And the way that we're going to use this, I'll talk about in a second, but I just want to first explain where this came from. So if we all have to keep 3 feet or 6 feet or 20 feet from each other safely, that's the distance at every angle around us that we need to maintain between each other to be safe. And if we need to maintain the same distance on all sides of us, or on at every possible degree around us, then that would be a circle of some radius distance. So it could be 3 feet, 6 feet, 20 feet. In this case, I've created this circle so that it's to scale according to this 25-foot by 25-foot classroom. So a 3-foot radius means that this diameter in total is about 6 feet. Now the way that you're going to use this and submit your design is I'm going to come here to this shapes button, so this triangle, square, circle one. I'm going to click that, and then I want to create more circles that are like this. And if you're on a laptop, I think this is a little bit easier, a laptop or computer, but it is definitely possible on your phone. I've tried that as well. So the way that I'm going to create a circle that is the same size as this, I'm going to click at the very top of the circle, drag down to the bottom, and now I have a pretty perfect replica of that. And then if I want to move this circle into my design, I click this little sort of square button. It'll say select, and then if I click here, now I can pull this circle into my design. And let's say I want to put it there, and let me create another circle here. It's a little bit of a pain, but I think it's quicker actually than it would be to draw 20 perfect circles in here. So there I went again, and now I'm going to click the select button again. And my goal is to fit all 20 circles in here safely without any overlap between any of these students so that their social distance radii are not overlapping at all. So that's my overall goal. You'll definitely organize it better than I am here. There's definitely a more systematic way to try to do this, but that's the goal, is to get all 20 of these circles that you'll create into this classroom safely. And then you'll do the same thing with the different classroom later. It's just that this circle will be a slightly different size. It'll be a little bit smaller for that other classroom.